In this video, I will be showing you how to fade an image in Canva. Let's get started. First, I head over to the Canva homepage and click on the Create a Design button in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu of formats, I select YouTube Thumbnail to open up a fresh, blank canvas. Once the editor loads, I move over to the left sidebar and click on the Elements tab. In the search bar at the top, I type in Tokyo and hit Enter. To view photography results, I click on the Photos tab to browse through the available pictures. I select this photo of Mount Fuji framed by cherry blossoms and click it to place it onto the canvas. Next, I click and drag the corner handles to expand the image so it fills out the canvas nicely. To create the faded effect, I go up to the top toolbar and click on the transparency icon. I drag the slider down from 100 to around 36%, then click off to preview the soft, faded background. Now, I want to add a second image to blend with the background. I go back to the Elements panel on the left, browse through the Tokyo photo results, and click on this vibrant red temple photo. Once it appears on the canvas, I drag the corner handles outward to enlarge and position it over the design. To blend it with the first layer, I click the transparency icon on the top toolbar once again, and adjust the slider down to around 67%. Finally, I adjust the edges and stretch the photo to achieve the perfect composition across the canvas. I deselect the image to inspect the final look and make sure the fade effect blends smoothly. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to fade an image in Canva.